Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today I'll be showing you how to get unique values from a column in Excel. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do it yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up Excel if you haven't already. After opening up Excel, guys, you want to go ahead and either create a new blank workbook or select an Excel file that you already have that you want to edit. So let's go ahead into our Excel file, and here, guys, you can see that we have a table with some values in it. And guys, let's say that we want to select only the unique values from this column. So guys, how do you do it? Well, it's very easy. First, guys, what you want to do is go ahead and select the column where you want to select the unique values for. So after selecting the column, guys, if you do not want to lose your values, then you want to go ahead and make a copy of it somewhere else. But guys, because this will delete all the values that aren't unique. So guys, how do you do it? Well, go ahead and select the column and then go ahead and click on data in the upper corner. After clicking on data, guys, here is an option called remove duplicates. All you have to do, guys, is go ahead and click this option right here. You can select either expand the selection or continue with the current explanation, and you can go ahead and click on remove. And after clicking on remove, guys, go ahead and click on OK. You just have to make sure that all the merged cells are the same size. But yeah, guys, go ahead and click on remove duplicates. Remove duplicates, column C. And go ahead and click on OK, guys, and as you can see, now the duplicate, the 6 number has been removed and only the unique values have stayed. So guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.